Hey guys, I'm Zach, and I'm with Bromwell's. I'm here to show you how to light your pilot light. When you have a vented gas log system, oftentimes you're going to have a safety pilot kit, which is what we see here. So this is at the totally off position. What we want to do is we want this to be facing 3 o'clock, and then this is going to allow you to push this knob all the way in. If you have it in a different position, you can't push that knob in. So 3 o'clock, push the knob in. And hold it in for about 30 seconds to heat it up enough so that this stays on. After that 30-second interval, you can let that off and your pilot light should stay on. Now, all you have to do is pop your damper open and turn it on.